Hi guys, welcome back to Mass Knowledge. Okay, so today we're going to see a new gadget. It's the Poco F4 GT. Okay, and you can see here the price. It's 2,499 in Malaysia. Okay, so this is the 12 GB RAM, 256 GB black color. Okay, and you can also see where I bought this. This is in Nilai. So if you want to get this phone, you can always WhatsApp this number. Okay, so let's check the sites. Poco F4 GT with easy access to the Google apps you use most. Okay, so you have Google apps here. Okay, everywhere is the same. Okay, here is the serial number and all the stuff. Now let's go to the phone straight. Okay, it's coming up beautifully, guys. Boom. So we're greeted with the Poco in here, clean yellow color paper. Okay, let's see what's in it. Okay, when you open this, you have a SIM injector tool. Inside, okay, you have my receipt and all the manuals. Okay, we are not going to go inside it. Okay, this one also comes with a free casing. Okay, so far I haven't touched the casing yet. I already removed it. Okay guys, so this is the phone. Okay, you can see I've already opened the phone because while buying straight I bought the screen protector here first. So it's a great glass screen protector. Okay, it's only 15 ringgit. Okay, now let's go to the boxing first. Okay, once we remove this, okay, you can see here, okay, we have the USB port charger. I haven't opened it yet. And also this 120 watts, guys. Let's look at that, 120 watts charger. It's a 2-pin charger, so that's really sad to see. Okay, so and you can see the charger here. Okay, this is for gamers, so that you can plug it in like that and it doesn't interrupt you while you're gaming. Okay, so let's do the opening, guys. So we open this. Quite a tough one to open, I think. Okay, so it just comes out like that. Wow. Okay, so it's a charger. Okay, 120 watts, guys. So your phone can just get charged up, I think, in approximately 30 minutes. Okay, so now let's look at the phone. Let's keep all the others at the side. Okay, so the phone itself, you can see here. Okay, this is the great thing about the Poco phones. Okay, we have a camera here. Okay, it's a dual lens camera. Okay, you can see your buttons here. Okay, this is your SIM card tray. Sorry, here is your SIM card tray. This is your 5G antenna. Okay, this is your console gaming buttons here. Okay, here is your power on and off, volume button, your mic, SIM card tray, and this one is a dual SIM card. You cannot add in memory card. Okay, you have your USB-C here and you have 2 stereo speakers at your sides. Okay, you can see here one and you can see here another one. Okay, so let's boot up the phone. Okay, here. Okay guys, so I've been using this phone for about 1 week, guys, and let me tell you this, the battery life is awesome. Okay, you can get until 1.5 days battery life. If you don't play games, it's 1.5. If you play games, it's 1 day. Charging up speed, okay, as you can see, now only I opened up the charger. So according to Poco, it just takes 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes to charge up full, because it's 120 watts charger. Okay, you have your fingerprint scanner here on your power button. So each time, the first time you need to use the code. Okay, and the second time onwards you can use your fingerprint to on up. Okay, it's such a beauty. Okay, so mostly people buy this for gaming. Okay, the camera is decent, not very good. It's I can say you can take average photos during good lighting. It's not a problem, but in a night shots and all, the images are quite grainy. So people who buy this are usually buying it for gaming experience. Okay, it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, okay, which runs fluidly. Okay, now let's just check out the screen. Okay, as you can see, this one has a 120 Hz display. Okay, and you can see how fluid it is. Simply beautiful, guys. The screen is simply beautiful. Okay, next is the gaming. Okay, let me just test one game for you all for an instant. Okay, first thing you have to do in gaming is push both these buttons together, okay, to open up the game space. Okay, here you can see all your games. Okay, let's try out Call of Duty. Start playing. So we are straight into the game, guys. That's the beauty of this phone. So it's more to a gaming phone, and if you want to use it as a normal daily drive, it's also beautiful. The screen is big. Okay, let the game start. I'm just going to walk you through the gaming because it's a gaming phone, so this is how we're going to test it out. And I'm also going to show you all how to configure the buttons. Okay, so usually we go into rank match. This is the place where I always play. Start. Okay, so as you notice here, okay, there's a bulging there. You push it out. Okay, this is your gaming page where you can adjust and monitor everything. So these pop-up triggers here, you can configure it over here. So if you want to edit right, go here, and you can see my pop-up trigger is over here. And this is under action and sequence. So if sequence one time you press, action it's pressing fully. So you can see I trigger it here, save it. Okay, let's see L. Okay, I want to trigger it over the maybe reload. Okay, reload, and I want it under action also. Okay, save, done. Okay, you can see shoot, reload. See, I'm not pressing anything here, but here. Okay, I saw someone there. Okay, let's find for our enemies now.
Enemy inside. Enemy down. Contact with enemy. Let's go. Target down.
3 kills, beautiful kills.
Contact with enemy.
4th kill.
Enemy contact.
I was going for a... Okay guys, so gaming is awesome in this phone. Okay, and watching videos is beautiful. So who is this phone for? It's more to people who like gaming, who love gaming. This is the phone for you. Okay, that's number one. Number two, this phone is for people who also professionals who are looking into a good battery life phone. Okay, good battery life, good screen to watch videos and everything. I mean 4K videos and everything runs smooth. The screen is smooth. It's a very good buy. Okay, and I can say it's a value buy compared to all the other phones, especially Apple and Samsung, which is coming out with a very ridiculous price nowadays. All their phones are above $4,000, $3,000. This is just $2,500 with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and also a beautiful 120 Hz screen. I mean, what else you want? And this is also 256 GB, 12 gigs RAM. So the phone runs very, very smoothly. The battery life is beautiful. The charging time is only 20 to 30 minutes, guys. That's even much. And also the charging time is beautiful. After using this phone, I couldn't even go to any other phones, any other normal phones like Samsung or iPhone, because to charge the phone it takes at least about an hour, but here is just half an hour. So if you are going to buy a new phone, I think this is the one to go for the current situation. So okay guys, so subscribe, like and share for more videos from this new app, Quantum Gold. Okay, here you can save gold as low as 10 ringgit. Okay, you can also invest and also save, and also you can convert your gold into cash. I've already put in the link in the description for you all to register. So check out this app. Okay, it's a legit app, and it's to buy gold is only 10 ringgit, and you all can even convert it back to cash and also invest in gold. So I think this app is just awesome. Okay, please like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you.